Hello, it's me again, and this time I'm reviewing something that isn't a load of old shite. It is this! A nice felt case, held on by snaps, serial number on the back. But what's inside? Instructions! But under the instructions, a lovely chrome effect modern laser pointer. Ooh, I'll bet that came as a complete surprise to all of you who hadn't read the title of the video for some reason. Right, look at the case. Notice it had spacers for the batteries which came with it. We like that, but I already put them in because I've been playing with it. Quick look at the instructions. They basically say, point it at what you want to point it at, but for God's sake don't point it in your eyes, you stupid bastard. Which is fair enough, because pointing it in your eyes could damage your retinas, and the thing about your retinas is, you really miss them when they've gone. And look at this, my favourite part. There's a big sticker on it that says, Danger! Laser radiation. Avoid direct eye exposure. Oh, fantastic. You know your toys are good when they come with dire warnings on them. Right, let's have a look at it. It's a really nice pen-like looking thing. It's chrome effect. And that's it, really. And of course, because it's a laser pointer, if you point it at something, a laser comes out. Wait for it. Bing. Bing. Whee. Yes, comes out with a really nice, very bright green blob of light. Ooh. Sorry. Yeah, it's really nice. But something that I can't show you immediately here is that if you use it in the pitch black, you will discover that the beam of light is visible to the naked eye. However, I may not be able to show it to you here, but there's somewhere I can. To the mystery house!
Now what you're seeing here is the laser beam being shined through a window. The point of light in the middle of the screen is actually about half a mile away, and the laser beam is fully visible from the side, so I didn't do this for long in case people thought aliens were invading or something. Whilst the laser beam is visible to the naked eye, it's very, very difficult to pick it up with any sort of imaging equipment. Eventually I managed to take this photograph by clever use of candle smoke and a night imaging camera. And here's just a pretty picture of the laser being refracted through a drinking glass. Anyway, back to the sofa.
Now, possibly you've heard that these modern super-powered laser pointers can give out over 100 milliwatts of power, which is enough to burn through black electrical tape, or even to burn through black bin bags. Well, this isn't one of those. This one goes up to 5 milliwatts, so don't expect anything impressive like that. Okay, in conclusion, well, it's really cool. Laser pointers are really cool in general, and this one is particularly good because you can see the laser beam in the dark. Groovy. Everybody who's seen it has been very impressed. Well, until I held them down and burnt their retinas out with it, but, you know, everyone's got to have a hobby. Practical applications, though. Is it really worth any money to buy? I can't think of any legitimate use for it. I suppose if you have a desperate need to point at something quite a way away in low light, then it's very useful, but other than that, you could get 5 really big ones and strap them to a big metal sphere and blow up the planet Alderaan with it. That's about it, really. Kind of like the digital equivalent of Paris Hilton. Useless, but very pretty. I tell you what, I know this isn't supposed to be powerful enough, but I wonder if it'll actually burn through one of these bin bags anyway. Let's give it a shot. Hold it very steady. Focus, focus, and go. No, that was a complete waste of time.